What's up guys, I'm Briggs Anunobi and welcome to another property tour. Today we are in LoHi, a vibrant and trendy neighborhood that's just west of downtown Denver. And we're here at this brand new development of single-family modern homes that are now available on the market. We'll be checking out this house that's on the northwest corner. It's got 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and just a little over 4,000 square feet of interior living space. The listing agents are Christopher Bauer and Brent Henry, and the price of this recording is $1.5 million. Now before we start this video, make sure you switch your video settings to 4K at the bottom of your screen. All right, let's head inside. So lot sizes are limited in LoHi, and as a result, you'll see a bunch of these skinny homes that are built on very narrow lots. But with this house, you won't have to worry about that because it sits on a much wider 37-foot lot that gives you more room to spread out and also a much more practical floor plan. Now, my favorite part of this house has to be right here. This kitchen opens up to the family room, which I love, and also the quality of design here is simply outstanding. This kitchen really does check all of the boxes. It's got stainless steel thermidor appliances that includes a built-in double oven, a 6-burner gas cooktop with an overhead vent hood, and then a built-in microwave that sits in this massive marble kitchen island. Now right off the kitchen is a butler's pantry that also has a ton of upgrades, including open shelving, a shiplap backsplash, a butler's sink, a wine fridge, and also a modern chandelier. So having a wide open floor plan is great, especially for entertaining, but when it's time to cozy up, this gas fireplace is where it's at. It is the statement piece of this family room, and I love how the brick is stacked all the way to the top to make it really stand out. Also, check out these alder box beams that run across the ceilings. It's a dramatic detail, and the color contrast really warms up this whole space. Alright, so we're all done with this main level. Let's head upstairs and check out the second level and then also the rooftop deck that you don't want to miss. Right this way. Alright, so we're at the top of the stairs and right behind me is a master bedroom, and it's fully decked out with all the bells and whistles that you could ask for. Let's take a look. The high level of upgrades continue in this master bedroom. You have a shiplap headboard with 2 built-in lamps for over your nightstands. And then you also have more alder box beams in the ceilings that leads right into this gorgeous master bathroom. Down the hall are are 2 additional bedrooms, an upstairs laundry room, and then another bathroom. Take a look. The 3rd level features an open lounge space with a wet bar and a half bathroom. There's tons of natural light and not to mention a rooftop deck. So there it is. Thank you so much for joining me on a tour of this very cool and modern house in the heart of LoHi. This location is amazing, with this house being just blocks away from some of the hottest restaurants in LoHi. And the house itself is not too shabby. Let me know what you guys think of this house in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. That's it for this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on my next property tour.